What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjaz, and welcome to my beginner hip hop dance class where I teach you all the basic moves, grooves, and concepts you need to know in order to freestyle or learn hip hop choreography. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 basic hip hop dance moves you can use anywhere. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you all the footwork first, and then I'll show you little tweaks you can do to make your footwork look unique and original. Alright, so for the first basic move, all we're going to do is our regular 2-step. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to step to the side and then step together. So sometimes this is also called your step touch. For my students, I usually say just think of it either way. You could think 1, 2, 1, 2 as 2 steps, or you could think step touch, step touch, step touch. So let's try to put this together in 8 counts. So one side it will be 2, the other side will be 4, 6, and 8. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'm gonna turn the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This is step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. All right, so for the second basic step, all we're gonna do is add a step back heel twist. So all I'm gonna do is put my energy into my heel. I'm gonna let my toes travel the direction I'm stepping. So if I'm stepping to my right, I want my toes to point to the right, and if I'm stepping to the left, I want my toes to point to the left, okay? So all I'm gonna add is this little step behind. So as I'm stepping, I want my energy and my toes to go this way, so I turn my foot, and then I come back. So let's try that one more time. So I'm going to the right, and then I come back. And again, all my energy is in that heel. So if I want to go to my left, I want all my energy in my left foot and my heels to go this way. So I'm going step back, center, step back, center. Very good. So now let's try to go back and forth for an 8 count. So we'll go 6, 7, 8. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going out, twist, out, twist, out, twist, out, twist. All right, so let's add this to our first step, the 2-step. So here we go. So 5, 6, 2-step first, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add the twist, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's try this again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add a twist, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so our last move we're gonna add to this is just your basic slide. So for this one, we're just gonna go side to side, and then again, I'll show you later how we tweak all of our basic moves to make them look more unique and original. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pretend like I'm still doing a 2-step. So I'm trying to get to this position, but instead of going step, step, I'm gonna force my energy to the right and slide to my right, okay? So again, force the energy towards the direction you're going, and you're kind of putting a little bit more weight on that leg. So if I'm going to my right, I'm putting a little bit more energy on this right leg, and I'm using my left leg to push off, and then from here, if I'm sliding in my left, a little bit more energy on my left, pushing off my right. So slide back. So let's try to go back and forth. So this is push off with your left, push off with your right, push off with your left, push off with your right. Very good. So let's try this with some counts. So in your head, again, you want to think 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, to your right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so now let's try to put all 3 of our basic movements together. So 2-step, step back heel twist, and then a basic slide. So here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, heel twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slide, slide, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, all together, and 2, step, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now heel twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basic slide, and slide, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor, like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so now that you have all your basic steps down, now let's add a little bit more uniqueness and originality to our movement. So again, you don't have to know a whole bunch of steps. We're just using 3 steps, but I'm going to show you how to make it look very unique and original. So for this one, all I want you to notice is that we are doing a basic pattern, right? Right, together, left, together. So now I want you to take this and go different directions with it, okay? So you don't have to go side to side the whole time, right? Even with the heel twist, I was going the same pattern. Even with the slide, going right to the together, left, together, right? I was going side to side. So now I want you to think, okay, where else can I take this, right? So I can take my first 2 step going forward and back, right? And then maybe I want to go side to side, side and side. Or I could even go side and back and forward and left, right? So I'm still keeping the same pattern going, but all I'm doing is I'm changing my direction. So for example, just with the 2 step, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So notice I'm still going right together, left together, but I'm switching it up. So now you can do that with every move. So even with the heel twist, I can go right, twist, left, twist, right, twist, left, twist. Same thing with my slides, right and left and right and left, right? So I'm just switching up my direction I'm going. And again, if that's confusing, you can always go back to your patterns, right to left, front to back. But if you want to get a little bit more original and unique, you could take it anywhere you want with it. Okay, so let's try to put all our 3 steps together, but I'm going to change up my direction every time. But in your head, again, remember the same pattern's happening, right together, left together. So here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 2 step, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, heel twist, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slide and slide and slide and slide and slide. All right, so that's switching up our directions to make it unique and original. So another thing we can do is we can add what we call a groove or a bounce to it. Okay, so not get too technical in this video, but there is a basic down groove and a basic up groove in most beginner hip hop dance moves, right? Our down groove is kind of similar to when you nod your head down to the beat, 1, 2, 1, 2. Your up groove is when you're coming up to the beat or when you nod your head up. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So you can kind of play around with this however you want. For my beginner students, I usually tell them to do a down groove each whole count. So that'd be 1, 2, 1, 2. Or you can split it up and do half counts. So you can either go down on the 1, come up on 2, or you can stay up on the 1 and go down on 2. Okay, so a little bit more advanced there. So it's kind of up to you what you want to do with it. But again, just adding a little simple bounce can mean a lot. So let's go back to the side to side, and I'll show you how I can kind of switch this up. So if I go back to side, combining all the moves, I'm just going to be switching between doing whole count down grooves and half count down grooves. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, twist, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slides, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor, like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one. Those are just 3 basic moves that we went over, and you could really do anything and everything with those and get away the whole night just doing those 3 basic moves. So again, you can keep the regular pattern going just with the steps. There's nothing wrong with just doing steps. Then if you want to get a little bit more unique and original, you can start doing different directions, turning different directions, using the room. And if you want to go a little bit deeper, you can also add that bounce or that groove we talked about. So again, you don't have to know a whole bunch of moves. You can really get away with just 3 of those basic moves. Alright, so I'd love to see you practicing and training hard. So go ahead and post up a video of yourself yourself and make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong, and I'll be sure to give you shout outs and props and good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.